Guys, historically, September has been very bearish for cryptos. So will it be bearish as well this September? I'm going to be discussing that in today's video. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end. What's up, guys? I'm Joel, and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. It's in the description, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And guys, smash that like button if you love Dogecoin. It really does help out the channel. An article just came out titled, "Billionaire John Paulson Calls Cryptocurrencies Worthless." However, he says he won't short them. He says he wouldn't recommend anyone invest in cryptocurrencies. He's a hedge fund manager, and he said this in an interview on Monday. He says that no matter how good cryptocurrencies are doing these days, that they're going to end up being worthless. He says once the excitement dies down around cryptocurrencies, they're all going to go down to zero. However, he also goes to say that he wouldn't short them. What does this mean? This means he wouldn't bet on them going down, which means he does expect them to do very well in the short term. However, he won't admit this. Guys, we've been doing so incredibly well recently on cryptos. The volatility is what allows us to buy at these huge dips and sell at the peaks. So sure, someone like that knows nothing about that, and that's why he's not feeling confident. He doesn't know the actual future like we do. He also says he's buying gold because he expects more inflation of the US dollar. Well guys, as I'm sure you know, cryptocurrencies are a huge hedge against inflation, and that's why people are moving their US dollars over to cryptocurrencies. Guys, he's saying this because he doesn't understand cryptocurrency. He says it'll go down to zero. However, it's the US dollar that keeps depreciating in value. All this fake and FUD news being put out there by the whales, like this article exactly, is causing people to sell. It's causing the smaller retailer to have paper hands and sell. Guys, never have paper hands, always have diamond hands. Never sell for less than you bought in for, and always look out for the dips when I call them out with some cash on the side, putting around 10% of your investment in each time so that you dollar cost average and you make money on each trade in the long run. Guys, Bitcoin has over doubled in value every single year of its existence, so how in the world could this guy be right? He's simply not. Guys, an article just came out titled, "What is a Bitcoin ETF?" The article explains how it's going to allow investors to have exposure in their portfolio to Bitcoin without actually investing in it. It allows people, kind of the old school investor who already have a lot of money in the stock market, allowing them to invest in Bitcoin without actually buying Bitcoin. Guys, this is supposed to happen this year, and if it happens, expect for trillions of dollars to pour into the crypto market space, causing every single crypto to go up in value. Guys, you want to get in before this happens. You want to get in before the mass adoption during these infancy stages of crypto, where the prices are literally over half of their actual worth. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. Guys, once an ETF goes live, like Bitcoin, expect for the biggest pump you've ever seen before, leading to a huge bull run for the crypto market. Another article just came out titled, "Betting on a Bitcoin bull run? Not in September," Bitcoin price data says. Next month is a classic underperformer for Bitcoin, and judging by the current price action, 2021 is no exception. So guys, historically, because September is generally bearish, this is the time you want to be ready with some cash on the side more than ever to buy up these dips as I'm calling them out, especially in September, because that gives you a chance to be positioned very well for the following month, October, where we are projected to be very, very bullish. However, guys, we've been very bearish for several months before our most recent bull run. So could this mean that this year we could see a very bullish month for September? Guys, it's possible, which means there may be some sell signals I'm going to be putting out. However, for now, definitely have some cash on the side and get ready to buy the dips. And if you're currently on my Patreon, guys, we may get some sell signals before these low dips come around, which allows you to have that extra cash on the side as well. However, historically, even if we do have a very bearish month, we could start out being bullish and then turn bearish. So that's also something to look out for. So expect for some sort of cool down corrections period towards the end of September at the very least before we move into our bullish month of October. Guys, Dogecoin is just below 28 cents. Cardano on its way to $3, and I expect to see it up to $4 just by the September 12th Alonzo hard fork update coming out. Ethereum moving right back up just above 3,300, and Bitcoin pushing and pushing, hopefully to be able to break 49,000 so we can get to our $50,000 level of resistance so we can see some more huge movement with the other cryptos that follow. And based on our inverse head and shoulders we are seeing on the Bitcoin charts currently, I'm expecting us to see it hit 50,000 here just within the next few days. Guys, our next level of resistance for Ethereum is 3,400. Guys, I'm expecting to see this here within the next few days as well. And guys, on the Dogecoin charts, as you see, we had a double bottom form, which was very bullish, causing us to go up from there. Guys, we are possibly forming another shoulder here. That would give us an inverse head and shoulders, which is a very bullish reversal pattern, which would allow us to continue our bull run. So guys, you want to look out for that. And guys, we are currently oversold on Dogecoin, so I'm expecting a huge bounce here soon for Doge. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top end comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the description, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And if you haven't already subscribed with that bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Never doubt Doge, and I'll see you tomorrow.